Hello, my name is Jake and welcome to Sheet Plastics. In this tutorial we will walk through installing ClipGlaze secondary glazing. The ClipGlaze system provides an easy solution for reinforcing plastic sheets. It's made of a flexible PVC edging strip and the system is held together securely with durable nylon clips and screws. Its unique mitre gauge provides precise corners. It also accommodates sheet thickness from 2mm to 6mm and comes in clear, brown or white. ClipGlaze is convenient for various projects and sizes and can be purchased directly from our website. When attached to a window, this product provides optimal insulation and draft exclusion. For functional window usage, it's recommended to be installed on the window's exterior. When initially measuring your window frame, aim to have the secondary glass extend 10mm around all edges. Once you know how much secondary glazing you need, visit our website and order the correct glazing accessories kit. For this installation, you'll need the following tools: a tape measure, a Stanley knife, pen and paper, cleaning wipes, and a pack of ClipGlaze. The required screws, clips and mitre gauge for this installation come included with ClipGlaze. First, we need to mark the edging strip 5cm from the edge. Next, prepare for cutting. Position the edge strip in the Easy Fix mitre gauge channel. Align your mark with the middle of the V on the gauge. Next, we're going to cut the edging strip. Carefully cut down each side of the V using a sharp knife. Be cautious not to cut completely through the strip. It's now time to attach to the sheet. Gently fit the edging strip onto the sheet and start to mould it around the first corner. Continue to the next corner and mark on the strip where the sheet ends. This indicates the position for the next corner. Repeat for all sides following the previous steps, fitting the edging strip around the entire sheet. Place a clip about 5cm from each corner along the bottom. We're now going to position the sheet, ensure an even overlap on the frame from the sheet on all sides. Now secure the bottom edge. Fix 2 clips along the bottom edge using the included screws. This will support the sheet's weight. Repeat the process for the top of the sheet to secure it against the window. Repeat the process along the edges of the sheet, making sure the clips are aligned. This should finish your installation. That concludes this guide. For more information, please visit our website www.sheetplastics.co.uk.